Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Para sa mga bago dito, welcome. If hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more pick a card uploads. Ang video po natin today ay isang reading based on your zodiac sign. So each pile is for the zodiac sign, water, fire, earth, and air elements. I suggest din po na alamin nyo ang inyong birth chart or at least your sun, moon, rising, and Venus signs dahil ito ay pinaka-accurate. Ilalagay ko po sa description box below yung links kung saan kayo pwedeng makapag-generate ng inyong birth chart so you can also check. I-input nyo lang po dyan ang inyong first name, date, time, and place of birth. Ganun lang po kadali, so pwede nyo na makita yung sun, moon, rising or ascendant, and Venus signs nyo. Naka-explain din po dyan sa mga websites na yan yung meaning ng bawat planet, so pwede nyo na rin po yung basahin. For example po, I'm Aquarius Sun, Libra Moon, Aries Rising, and Venus Capricorn. So ang pinapanood ko mostly ay zodiac signs for zodiac readings for Aquarius, Libra, Aries, and Capricorn dahil yun ang pinaka-accurate. Same goes po sa video natin today, kaya dapat alam nyo rin yung sa inyo for future zodiac readings. Move on na po tayo sa ating reading, which is grouped by element. Water, aquamarine, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Earth signs, green, aventurine. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Tiger's eye for fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. And opalite for air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. I channel din po important dates for each element. So, for fire, for water, earth, fire, and air signs. So, maaring may significant events or happening sa mga dates na iyon, and i-mention ko yun after the card reading, so please stay tuned. I will put the timestamps of the elements or zodiac sign po sa description box para ma-check nyo ang inyong reading. So let's start. Para po sa water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, ito ang inyong reading. For water signs po, I see na maaaring ang month of November ay hindi masyadong happy month for you because you will undergo challenges and maaaring may taong maiiwan sa inyo or aalis sa inyong buhay because of this card or fund. Maaaring din pong may changes na maganap sa inyong buhay na ikakagulat nyo or ikakalungkot nyo because of this card, a change in the wind. So, there will be a time na hahanapin nyo ang sarili nyo and maaaring kayo ay ma-depress, so this card quest. But, at the end of the month ay ma-realize nyo na kayo ay blessed and kayo ay maraming nagmamahal sa inyo because of this card, recovery and forgiveness. Para naman po sa ibang water signs, sun, moon, rising, or Venus, kayo ay magde-decide regarding your passion or love life or career because of this card. To make your decisions, ask yourself which way brings me closer to my divine purpose. So yun po. Maaring in terms of love life and career. So for water signs po, I see na maaring kayo ay mag-face ng changes and challenges this month of November. So this mga first 2 weeks of November, but at the end of the month ay maaring kayo ay mag-experience ng recovery and kayo ay mag-heal from the challenges. So this card, emotions are running high. Kayo ay highly sensitive and triggered about sa nangyayari sa inyong environment, or maaari ding mag-face kayo ng challenges in terms of your family because of this card, or in terms of your children if you have children. So this card po, spaciousness. What do I no longer need? Help me God to release whatever people, places, or things drain my vital essence. Show me what will fill me with enthusiasm and joy. So, as I've said po kanina, maaaring may mang-iwan or maaaring umalis na mahal sa buhay or partner for some water signs. So, I see po na kahit kayo ay iwan or mag-undergo ng challenges, ay mas by the end of the month ay ma-realize nyo na kayo ay blessed and kayo ay dapat mag-focus sa magagandang nangyayari sa inyong buhay or sa inyong blessing. So, this card, positivity. If you can find even one thing to be grateful for, it will restore you to the light. Please, dear God, let me always feel gratitude for something, even a tiny thing, in even the hardest situation. So, yun po, kahit kayo ay mag-undergo ng mga pagsubok, ay ma-realize nyo by the end of the month na kayo ay swerte pa rin and kayo ay blessed. So, mas pipiliin nyo na kayo ay mag-focus sa inyong passion. So, this card, passion. And mag-forgive if ever na may pang-iwan sa inyo. So, this card, forgiveness. You will focus po on your passion or career and finances. So, this card, your dreams need a practical plan. Maaring kayo ay mag-set ng inyong goals and dreams regarding your finances. So, kayo ay magpo-focus on those goals and dreams. So, this card, do the right thing for the right reason. So, a spiritually minded community. A windfall of money, advice or assistance from others. A very successful project, a happy change in your career. So, I see na kayo ay mag-experience ng blessings after mga pagsubok. So, yun po, maaring in terms of your finances and career. Also, this card po, victory. Your desire is coming to fruition. Keep up the good work. So, yun po, after kayo ay mag-release, kayo ay magpo-focus on your blessings. So, you will embody positivity and magpo-forgive, magpo-focus on your passions. So, this card also, young. So, kayo ay may drive and motivation to pursue your goals and dreams. So, also this card po, as you honor and follow the guidance of your heart, prosperity is coming to you now. So, yun po, victory and prosperity in terms of your career ay maaring ma-experience nyo by the end of November 2020. So, yun po ang reading for water signs. Ang important dates na na-channel ko for water signs, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio ay November 26, November 1, 3, and 24. So, maaaring may significant events or changes na mangyari sa dates na yan po for water signs. So yun po ang reading for water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's now move on to earth signs. Para po sa earth signs or Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, ito ang inyong reading. I see po na in general for this month of November, kayo ay makaka-receive ng blessings. So, maaring in terms of your career, in terms of your finances, and love life. So, this card po, expansion, miracle. So, yun, miracle in or blessings in all forms. For some ay career, for some ay pregnancy, for some ay success in your project or passion. So, this card, the Empress, so as you can see sa image ay may bata, and also this cards, may mga bata. So, the Empress is also a card for pregnancy or also for creativity. So, I see na maaring this month of November ay kayo ay magko-conceive, and maaring ito ay something na wini-wish nyo or minamanifest nyo even before. So, I see din po na i-experience kayo ng renewal. So, this card, kayo ay mag-experience ng new start or new beginnings in terms of your finances or in your life in general. Kayo ay mag-gain ng inspiration and motivation. So, in the past, this card, despondence, kayo ay nawalan ng pag-asa and kayo ay nawalan ng motivation na gawin ang mga bagay na dapat gawin. So, this card, miracle, this month ay ma-renew ang inyong motivation, ang inyong drive, ang passion to do things. So, this card po, unfinished symphony and observer. So, maaring in the past ay nag-observe lang kayo and may mga hindi kayo natapos na requirements or na commitments. So, this month of November ay magkakaroon ng progress sa inyong mga passion or sa inyong project. So, this card, your hard work is paying off. And this card, to the sea, maaring kayo ay experience ng development and progress sa inyong mga finances or sa inyong career. So, this card for renewal, understanding your life purpose, releasing judgments of yourself and others. So, as I've said po, kayo ay may motivation na, so mas driven na kayong gawin ang inyong life purpose, or kayo ay may motivation na to do things. Also, this card, now is the time to learn, study, and gather information. Enjoy being a student because in the future, you will synthesize your knowledge into action. So, this month of November po ay more on progress and development sa inyong mga previous efforts. So, this card, time to take action, the power of creativity. You will feel inspired and driven na gawin ang inyong mga hindi natapos na requirements or commitments. I see din po for some na kayo ay makakamit ng new person or new love interest because of this card. A romantic partner you can trust. So, maaaring kayo ay makamit ng new friend or new romantic interest this November 2020. Also, this card po, love. So, maaring ito ay future love or future love life or connection sa inyong buhay. So, maaring ma-meet nyo po ang taong ito while traveling or while kayo ay nasa malayong lugar. Also, this card po pala is time to take action, be fearless, and happily pursue your most treasured dreams. Amazing career opportunities. So, as I've said po, yung development and blessings sa inyong career and finances. So, this card po, impatience. Maaring in the past kayo ay nag-doubt and kayo ay naging impatient regarding the development sa inyong pinupursue na passion or career. So this card, my life is unfolding in divine timing. All delays are beneficial. I'm always at the right place at the right time. So yun po, ang divine timing ay this November kayo ay makaka-experience ng blessings and new opportunities. Also, this card po, you are flying high right now, which may threaten others. But don't listen because others will soon become inspired by your example. So, maaring in the past kayo ang ginagawa nyong project or ang career nyo ay hindi naiintindihan ng mga tao sa paligid mo or sila ay against sa inyong passion. This month of November ay unti-unti nila matatanggap ang ginagawa mo and ang inyong passion. So yun po, very positive ang inyong November 2020. May mga blessings and developments. So yun po ang reading. Ang mga na-channel ko pong important dates for you ay this November ay November 3, 5, 7, and 8. So, or for some, ang number 7 po ay may importance sa inyo. So yun po ang reading for Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's now move on to fire signs. Para po sa fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, ito ang inyong reading. So I see po for this month of November ay makakatanggap kayo ng news or balita na good news. So this card, wonderful news is on its way. Smart choices that bring reward, success, and public recognition. So maaari din pong recognition sa inyong career or sa inyong work. Also, this card po, news worth celebrating, announcements such as weddings, graduations, or births, friends you cherish. So, ang blessing pong ito na dadating sa inyo ay because of your hard work and perseverance. Maaari din pong nag-change kayo ng outlook in life. So, this card, perception, growth, and gratitude. So, kayo ay mas naging optimistic and nag-focus sa inyong blessings and nag-look forward sa magagandang mangyayari in the future. So, kayo ay nakatanggap ng blessings. Dati or in the past, kayo ay masyadong pessimistic or negative thinker. Kayo ay nagpo-focus sa mga hindi magandang nangyayari sa inyong buhay. So, ang tendency ay kayo ay nag-a-attract din ng problema or nag-a-attract din ng negativity sa inyong buhay. So dahil po kayo ay nag-change ng inyong outlook or perception sa buhay, kayo ay makakatanggap din ng blessings and success. So this card po, your emotions are healing, which enables you to open to greater love. I will help you release anger and unforgiveness from your heart and mind. So kung dati kayo ay, as I've said po, anger or kayo ay may hindi pinapatawad, kayo ay nag-focus on the positive, kaya you are healing and you are more open to blessings from the universe. So this card po, the Chariot, success that comes from dedication and self-discipline, celebrating your accomplishments and being in the spotlight. So yun po, as I've said, recognition and success and good news. Also, this card po, go the distance. So maaring kung kayo ay may pinupursong project or career or passion in the past, this month ay may development or progress sa inyong ginagawa. For some naman pong fire signs, I see na maaring may new romance na paparating sa inyo. So this card, new romance is imminent, either with a newcomer or through reignited passion in your existing relationship. Be open to giving and receiving love. So for some po ay this is a new person or someone na makikilala nyo pa lang. So this card, serendipity and the fate. So someone na makikilala nyo unexpectedly and hindi nyo din i-expect na kayo ay magkiklik or kayo ay magkakasundo. Para naman po sa iba, this is a person na ex or kayo ay may past na together. So this card, through reignited passion in your existing relationship. Also this card po, the return of people or romances from your past. So para sa iba ay someone na past nyo or ex nyo. So for fire signs po, maaring last month or last few months ay kayo ay nakaka-experience ng problem. So this card, despair. And ito po ang message, your commitment is just being tested. So, maaring kayo ay nag-undergo ng challenges sa inyong relationship, also sa inyong career. So, discard money. So, for relationships po, ang message ay communication is key and nothing is yet set in stone. So, yun po. Communicate and maging genuine about your feelings, and dapat kayo ay honest about how you feel. In terms of money naman po, kayo ay makakatanggap ng blessings this November. And kayo ay magkaka-experience or makaka-experience ng progress. So, discard go the distance and Chariot. So, kayo makaka-experience ng progress sa inyong project or sa inyong career. So, yun po ang reading for fire signs. Sa mga na-channel ko pong important dates or dates this November ay November 9, November 5, 11, 13, and 7. So, maaring may significant events or changes na mangyari sa mga dates na ito this November. So, yun po ang reading for fire signs. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's now move on to air signs. Para po sa air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, ito ang inyong reading. So, I see po na this November kayo ay dapat mag-decide or mag-release ng mga bagay na hindi na nag-work para sa inyo. So, this cards, what do you need to release? And it's time to release negativity and surrender to the divine. So, as I've said po, kayo ay dapat mag-decide or kayo ay dapat mag-release ng inyong toxic relationships or toxic situations in terms of maaring inyong career or love life. So, this card, clean it up, and dapat kayo ay mag-decide para kayo ay magkaroon ng new life or new beginnings for your growth and healing din as a person. So this card, Two of Winter, indecision is holding you back. Make the choice that's best for you rather than trying to please others. So yun po, as I've said, kayo ay kailangang mag-decide para sa inyo, for yourself, and mag-make ng changes. So I see na this month of November ay more on changes and releasing and new beginning. So this card, new life and change. Also this card po, a happy move to a new home or place of employment is in the works. This movement will usher in positive new energy. So yun po, as I've said, kayo ay mag-release and maging open to change. So this November ay all about changes and movements towards a new life. So this card po, fork in the road, also about making a decision kung anong path or road ang inyong tatahakin. So in terms of your relationship po, kung kayo ay hindi na masaya or kayo ay hindi na feeling fulfilled, so this card, contentment, kailangan kayo ay mag-let go and mag-release na. So in terms din po of your career, this card, ambition and hardships. So this po ay maaring ma-experience nyo because kayo ay nag-undergo ng changes. So this card, have patience and don't worry. Take time to rest and plan your next steps. A prudent investment of time and money. So also this card po, time for a nap. And meditate and contemplate and the thinker. So yun po, pag-isipan nyo ang next steps nyo. Also your decision, kung ano magiging outcome ng inyong decisions. So this card, isolation, maaring kayo din ay feeling sensitive, kaya kayo ay nag-stay away from the people around you because kayo ay confused and kayo ay nag-iisip regarding your next steps. So this card po, Treasure Island, I see na may bright future or success na naghihintay sa'yo towards end of November in terms of career and also love life if you are open to changes. So also this card po, your leadership skills are needed now. So kailangan po talaga mag-decide and maging open to changes this month of November. So yun po for air signs, more on changes and releasing ng negativities or toxic situations or relationships or mga bagay na hindi na nakakatulong sa iyo or hindi na kayo masaya. So maaari din pong kayo ay mag-decide mag-move to a new career or work. So ang mga na-channel ko pong important dates for you this November ay November 5, 6, 9, 11, and 24. So yun po ang dates na maaring may important events or happenings sa inyong November. So yun po ang reading for air signs. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel at Crystal Starseed. See you on my next videos.